Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use while and do while loop. So firstly, while you have to type in while, and this is syntax in for C and C++, basically it's same. While in lowercase, then condition between parentheses and between two curly brackets, you have to type in your code. This will run until the condition is true, and do while will do the same, but first it will do things and then it will check for condition, and you have to put in a semicolon over there. So let's get started with it. Now first, in while example, just type in while and then your condition. My condition is is less or equal to 10. This will run the code inside for 11 times cause we are adding equal to sign over there. Okay, so print, and I will print I over here. So %d comma I, and I can just type in hello world over there, and this will should run the code 11 times. Okay, as you can see, it ran the code 11 times. See, so now we are gonna see do while, and do while for comparison I will keep the while loop over here. Just I will change this to equal to, means this condition will stay false forever, and I will remove this, and the hello world will never be printed. And now I can type in do while. So first you have to type do in lowercase, then curly brackets, and then your code. I will just copy this code, and in this, and I can just type in condition while and your condition I equals 10, which is also false. Okay, then a semicolon, and I can type here world, so we can tell which one is executed, and this should be executed because it's executing the code first and then checking for the condition. Yeah, of course, that one is executed. So that's it for do while and while, and thank you guys for watching my video.